I'm making turkey meatloaf because my brother says that he's into turkey now. I don't know what that means. He says, I'm into turkey now. I was like, what the hell was he even talking about? But my grandpa, he knows how to make the best turkey meatloaf, bro. He,
Oh, why is the ISO so high? My brother's cutting needs better skill. You can notice how much of an amateur he is, really. He hates he hates cutting. The other thing he doesn't hate cutting is his arms. And his legs. And people's necks. Wouldn't you say?
what did you just say? Oh my God.
Whoa.
Why'd you say that?
Whoa, 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 whoa.
I'm gonna have to bleep that. So what you wanna do is grab your garlic, you know, chop it up, mince it real nice, real low, and we'll get back to you when it hits the fire.
Spin. Spin. Hey, spin. Hey, take it easy. Hey, spin. Yeah?
So now you have your onions and we have our garlic. We're gonna cook up our onions a little bit, and then we're gonna put it in our garlic like that. And do a little reminder, the recipe is going to be in the description. You can learn about the recipe in the description.
That's correct.
Watch it all the way through so you can understand the recipe all the way through.
Exactly. What are you doing right now?
Putting in the oil.
Okay.
Do you think that's enough oil?
Absolutely.
So, cook that up a little bit. Add some salt, why not, you know. Leave it in the comments down below, guys. What's your favorite kind of salt?
Salt. Oh, bro. So that's where we got this skill back in Bangladesh, where this style...
Dude, I gotta be honest, Bangladesh sucked. It was not a good experience. Dude, that time, that man literally, what's called,
Raped us raw. Huh? Hey, spin around your body so that we can show them fit check. All right, so classic hands shirt, global shirt. Right, my brother's iconic belly and my iconic brother's hair and neck. Ooh, look at that. Oh, and also don't forget about that word. I don't know what that says, but so something. Oh, the pants. You can't not get used to the pants. The pants. Also the fitties. Footy stands for footage. Look at that. Oh, wait, do that again? Beautiful.
I tell you. Am I not the man or am I not the man?
We're way too close, man. You're way too close.
My bad. So, I want to leave you guys with a little comment challenge. Leave down in the comments down below if your grandfather told you a fake story about their great-grandfather. Finding out about turkey meatloaf.
What'd that imply?
What do you mean what that implies? You should know what that implies. It means that your grandfather's a liar.
What the hell happened?
So when that's show them how it looks.
Okay, so when it looks like this, like kind of burnt.
Yeah, it's not burnt. That means it's good. So you want to put in your garlic?
Sure, dude.
Cook that a little bit.
Sure, dude.
Put that in a little bit. Then you want to cook it around for a little bit, like 2 minutes. Get that aroma.
Right.
It smells yummy. So it smells like... Why on earth do you like turkey so much now? Truth be told, I just wanted to dig out of the archive, you know, I just wanted to see our great-grandfather's recipe. And I'm not exactly into turkey, it's just I have an affiliation with a group of people that would like me to be into turkey. Now what you want to do is, I guess, make sure it's nice and smelly. Once you smell it, which I can smell it, what do I do next, Yanka? You just put it to the side. Oh, I put it to the side. Yeah. Next, what you want to do is you want to grab a bowl. A bowl. Like this? A smaller one. Like this?
A smaller one.
Like this?
That's perfect.
All right, here's a small bowl. I feel responsible
All right.
for breaking this beautiful plate. But it's broken. Now, our Japanese father, he did something beautiful to us. He taught us something, a type of, like a way of life. It is when something breaks, you don't want to be ashamed of the cracks. You don't want to hide it. We paint gold. We will paint we would use glue that looks like gold. Put it together so that the breakage shines instead of hides. So that's what we learned back in Japanese class, where we learned Japanese. Not the language, no. Just Japanese. So next, what now?
All right, like I said, grab a big bowl.
Big bowl?
Yeah.
Okay, that's fine. Like this one?
Yeah.
There, okay. Next, we want to put the bowl, I'm assuming put this in there?
No.
Oh, okay. What do we do?
Grab the pinko or the
Pinko.
breadcrumbs.
Breadcrumb. We got breadcrumbs because we didn't.
Put some in there. Not all of it. All right. Next, you want to do grab some milk.
Milk.
Yeah.
How much?
Half a cup.
That's half a cup, right?
Yeah.
All right. So once we finish that, we want to spin, right? We want to spin it around.
Yeah. Now, leave it a little bit for 5 minutes.
Oh, okay.
Guess who's back into the cookout?
Oh, yeah.
Guess who's back cooking?
All right. You want to put yourself some, guess what it is? Egg.
Oh.
So, put 3 eggs. You add some piapa, black piapa. Okay. Because, goddamn, I love turkey, but it's got that flavor.
Who said that?
I did.
No, you didn't say that.
Yes, I did.
You didn't say that.
Yes, I did.
You didn't say that.
Yes, I did.
Who said that?
I said it.
And that white guy that you watch all the time said that probably.
I don't want to watch some white guy, dude. I only watch Italian men.
Oh, yeah. Man, you take... Oh.
Alright. Alright. As much as you like. My brother's a big Worcestershire guy, so we're adding a lot. And now time for the salt.
Yeah, you don't have to add as much if you added a lot of Worcestershire sauce, so let's just add a lot.
No, let's just add a little bit.
Yeah, because we, you know.
No, I got it. It's fine. You don't even. Okay,
You sent me to the barrel. You sent me to the realm of nothing.
Look, just watch me do it, alright? Oh wait, I forgot the most important of the ingredients. The turkey. Okay, now we gotta insert the turkey.
Wait, whoa. Before you start off, you have to give me the fit check. You have to be. What is that?
Is a shirt that stands for my beloved Seattle Seahawks.
We got the pant. How about the belt? How about the belt?
Right there.
Oh snap! What brand is it?
Belt brand. Got kick.
Oh my god.
All right, we got belt, and then we got, well, Let's see, what time is it? Oh. All right, now this is food. Food's ready. Oh, missed a little bit right here. Okay, so we missed a few ingredients. We forgot the onions that we priorly cooked. And also we need more bread. There you go. So,
Are you sure that's enough milk? I think we might need more breadcrumbs.
need more breadcrumbs.
Yeah. Okay, that's good.
Okay, so once it's, you know, like this is okay, let's just start mixing. Let's start mixing.
You're not gonna go anywhere if you don't start mixing.
Oh, shut up. Okay, well, when it falls, you pick it up. Yeah. You just gotta pick it up. Gotta pick up whatever's left up and toss it back in here. You know, there's no rule to that, so. I think it needs more breadcrumbs, guys.
It does need more breadcrumbs.
You know what? What's the point of this bowl? Let's just put it on the goddamn table. All right, guys. Oh. Yeah, just move some of this. We need space now. So once you have the food ready.
I feel like now it's good enough.
You think? No, I think it needs more. Like, remember the photo? Or the photo that we saw? It didn't look anything like this.
It died.
It died?
Don't stupid stuff died.
Man, no, man, I'm with you. I'm with you.
No, yeah, it did look like that.
I'm with you. God, it hurts. We just gotta be careful to not add any.
What are you adding in there?
Oh, just, you know, making sure that we don't miss anything.
No, I think you accidentally put that in there, but it's okay. I mean, it's like, you know, all natural.
Oh, this?
Yeah.
So
I think it's done.
So once you have the enormous blob that we cultivated here. Oh, we spilt some milk. It seems to have spilt milk. So I guess we shouldn't cry over it, huh? Now what you want to do is just collect as much slop as possible and then move it onto a plate here. Then once you do that, oh, we could have done it here. Oh well.
Form it.
No, we still need to pick up the slop.
No, I feel like I would like to lick that off later.
Oh, you know what? Like I said, that is the fun part. So I'll just smear it into it so that it could be more of a an activity together.
All right.
That's cool. There we go. So
I also I like milk a lot, so I'll probably lick that off.
See, no, there is no need. There is no need to cry over spilt milk. No. Okay. So now form it, right? God, it feels like it could move.
It is moving.
Loaf line. All right.
All right.
So what do we do now, brother?
It's off to me. You want to grab your ketchup, make your sauce. We're making your sauce today, guys. Grab your ketchup. How much Worcestershire do we add? Okay, just a dash of Mr. Dash.
Where'd you get that from?
A little bit of oregano. Tiny bit of parsley, basil leaf. A little bit of garlic. And some Italian seasoning. This is how you want it to look like.
It looks horrible.
Mix around a little. Time to add it to this, baby.
Alright guys, this is pretty good video. I don't know what to do in this now. Looks pretty yummy, guys. We'll come back to you whenever we're done cooking.
So what's the next step? Quickly tell me the next step. We need
Cook it!
Cook it for what?
I don't know.
Dude, we need it. No, literally, tell me now. Dude, hurry up. Tell me now. Tell me now.
Okay, fine, I'll tell you. It's a big
What?
secret.
What?
If it's such a big...
No, you're
I'm
gonna tell me
you.
now.
Okay,
Tell me
fine,
now.
I'll
Tell me.
tell you. I'm gonna take it out.
Yeah.
And once you do that, you want to add the rest of the sauce on it.
Okay.
Then after you add the rest of the sauce, mix it around nice and good. After that, you want to put it back in the fridge for another 30 to 40, not in the fridge, in the oven, for another 30 to 40 minutes.
It's perfect, dude. Look at that. Oh, look, that's beautiful. Take a bite. Oh, that's perfect.
I knew you'd
Try it.
I knew you'd try it. Try it now.
I will, dude. Oh, look at that juiciness. Can you see the juiciness?
No.
Good.